dear friends, look at these adorable earrings. Can you believe they take only a few minutes to make? Let me show you how. Not long ago, someone commented that my jewelry isn't truly handmade. But if you've seen my other videos, you know I often create pieces from scratch using a variety of materials. Today I'll show you how simple and personal handmade jewelry can be. These earrings were a special request from my friend. She noticed these beautiful porcelain fish-shaped beads with gold essence on my table and said, "I'd love earrings like that." I told her I could make them in no time. To create these earrings, you'll need pins, stud bases. My friend chose ones with fox pearls, the beads of your choice. Here's how to make them. First, insert the pin through the bead. Second, bend the pin to form a loop. Three, trim off the excess carefully. And 4, use pliers to finish the loop. The stud bases I'm using already have small rings for attaching the beads, so there is no need for extra connectors. And that's it. One earring is ready. Now repeat the same process for the second one. Quick tip: always cover the piece of the pin you are cutting with your hand to prevent it from flying off. Safety first. The earrings are done and my friend is thrilled. Seeing her smile made my day. Isn't that the beauty of a handmade art, making people happy? What do you think of these earrings? Would you use fish-shaped beads or do you have another design in mind? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more jewelry making tips and designs. I have some exciting projects coming up, including matching necklaces and bracelets. See you next time.